As for the situation here in BC, health officials are sharing new modeling that shows dramatic progress while also revealing where the virus came from. And CTV's Binder Center reports if the trend continues, travel restrictions could soon be lifted.
With BC's COVID-19 numbers flatlining, the province's top doctor sounds cautiously optimistic.
I do not expect that we're going to get that rapidly explosive growth that we have seen in other countries if we continue to do things the way that we have.
This pink heat map shows how from January to the end of May, the virus was in every part of the province. The purple one shows cases have fallen off.
The hotspots remain in the same areas, particularly in parts of Fraser Health, and those are related to the outbreaks that we have seen in our communities, in long-term care.
Different strains are being found in BC. Most are similar to those in Europe or Eastern Canada. Of those, dozens are linked to a dental conference in Vancouver in early March.
We had 87, at least in BC, that we know. There were likely several people who had attended that conference that were ill.
Around the same time, a virus similar to the one in Washington state also infiltrated the province.
And then it's seeding outbreaks in our community and in our long-term care homes.
Key to containment is tracing the virus's path through people. Dr. Henry says virus hunters are tracing who a coronavirus patient has been in contact with and notifying them in about a day.
This is how we broke the chains of transmission in British Columbia, by reducing the numbers of people that we had close contact with.
Older people continue to be at highest risk of dying. No one under 40 has died, and no one under 20 has ended up in ICU.
Opening schools will have a minimal impact on transmission.
Physical distancing, that saves lives. Staying home when we're sick, that saves lives.
If residents continue doing that and keeping social circles small, Dr. Henry says travel restrictions may be eased in July or August. Binder Sudgen, CTV News, Victoria.
As for the daily numbers, only 9 new cases were announced today, and there were no new deaths. 26 people are in hospital, 6 in intensive care.